In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs for editing and suggesting changes. This is a fundamental feature of Google Docs that enables collaborative work with your team or peers. So, let's dive right in. First off, we'll begin by navigating to Google Docs. You'll need to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Just open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type in docs.google.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by a screen showing all your recent documents and the option to create a new document. If you're a first-time user, you might need to set up your account, which usually entails simple steps like entering your email and setting a password. Next, locate the document you want to work on. Maybe you need to make edits to a shared document or you're reviewing a team project. Either way, click to open the document and you'll be one step closer to making your edits. Once the document is open, head over to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a pencil icon. This is the editing mode button. By default, you might be in editing mode, which allows you to make changes directly to the text. But for suggesting edits without altering the original document, you'll need to access another feature. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Suggesting. This mode is perfect when you want to propose changes for someone else's approval. It's especially useful for collaborative projects where multiple inputs might be needed before finalizing a document. Once you're in suggesting mode, any edits you make will show up in a different color, usually green, though sometimes it might be another assigned color. It's a handy visual cue that lets everyone know what changes have been proposed. Every change you make will come with a timestamp and your name clearly displayed in the document's right margin. This makes it easy for your team members to see who suggested what. Along with each change, you'll also find the option to accept or reject the suggestion. There are handy buttons for this, marked with a check for accepting and a cross for rejecting. This feature is invaluable for making collaborative work smooth and efficient. It keeps everything organized and ensures everyone stays on the same page. It's a must-know tool whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who regularly collaborates on documents. And there you have it. That's how you can easily edit and suggest changes in Google Docs. Be sure to give it a try on your next document project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.